Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access your Pi coins, even if they're currently locked from 2025 up to 2028, and reduce that lock period to just 2 weeks. We'll do everything by accessing the Pi Unlock Center inside the Pi browser, and I'll walk you through each step, so don't worry if you're new to this. Before we jump in, take a quick second to give this video a thumbs up so it reaches more people who need this info. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future uploads. All right, let's get into it. Step 1. Copy your Pi wallet address. Open your Pi wallet inside the Pi browser. Look for the long string of characters. This is your wallet address, where you receive your Pi coins. Tap the copy icon to copy this address to your clipboard. Step 2. Access the Pi Unlock Center. We now need to access the Pi Unlock Center. Tap the wallet header to bring up the navigation option in the Pi browser. A text box will appear. Type in piunlock.center and press Enter. This will load the Pi Unlock Center menu inside the Pi browser. Step 3. Check your locked Pi. Once the page loads, tap on Unlock Pi menu and wait for it to fully open. Then click Select Wallet to unlock, paste in your wallet address and tap Check Locked Pi. The site will automatically scan your mainnet activity and show you the amount of locked Pi you're eligible to migrate. Step 4. Initiate the request. Scroll down and select how much of your Pi coins you want to migrate or move. In my case, I'm migrating 761 Pi. Tap on Request Unlock and wait for the system to process your request. Step 5. Authorize the transaction. You'll now be prompted to authorize the transaction. Once it's complete, you can click Close. And that's it, your request is complete. Now go back to your Pi wallet. You'll see the migrated Pi coins in your available balance. As you can see, I've successfully unlocked 761 Pi, and they're now ready to be withdrawn to an exchange of my choice. You can repeat the same steps to move your remaining locked Pi. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Pi Network content. See you in the next one.